Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and to keep working on modules, I want to add a page for instructions. And so let's click on modules. Before we add this page of instruction, I want to add a disclaimer that this is a practice that another teacher showed me. I think it's great. I think it works perfect. Follow the guidelines, the rubric that your school has assigned. This course is not a strict online course. It's a hybrid, basically a face-to-face with an online component, so the requirements are not maybe quite as strict as an online class. With that being said, let's roll with it. Let's click plus and let's add a page, and let's click new page, and let's say click here for your assignments. Let's do that, and let's copy this in case we need to paste it again. Let's go to every week, and we're gonna just hand do this at the moment. Notice it saved all these settings. It's awesome. Let's just keep on going right down the list and put one for every week at this point. And here we go. Let's add it. Let's make sure we put the instructions before. Come on now. Hold on. Okay. Let's drag this up. Let's make sure we put the instructions before the assignments pop up. And since we only have assignments in these weeks, let's click on this and edit. And let's just kind of as a placeholder, let's just say your midterm test at home is this week. It will be Respondus web plus webcam. How about let's say that, yes. All right, let's just do that for now. That's midterm. Let's copy that. Let's save it. And then let's go back to modules. And let's go down to the final one. We have an assignment here. So let's edit this page and let's put a paste note, your final comprehensive test. At home is this week. It will be Respondus. Okay, good enough. All right, let's go back and check this again, mates. And so, yes, so there are some instructions so far. And what I'm suggesting is as you add or as I add assignments under each week, just make sure that your click here component reflects that information and instructions so that the student can be successful.